Hey, I want to give you a quick tour of the holiday merchandise they have at the One Up shop here at Universal Studios Hollywood. You'll notice all of the holiday merchandise is 30% off. I'm here on like the 19th, I think it is, of December, so it's nearing that time. So we'll go through real quickly. Here's an extra small for $60. This little sweater for kids. These Mario snowmen are 35 bucks, and that's before the 35% discount. We have three different little figures here, but those actually aren't part of the Christmas stuff. But just in case if you're wondering, they're 22. I'll get past those. There's like a wreath headband with the Mario hat on top and some of the little Mario snowmen. These will run you 27 bucks before discount. And here's a big hoodie. I'll come around the other side actually before we do that though. Don't want to forget these. These are sort of everybody's favorite over here. They actually don't have a price on them, do they? Wow, they're actually not priced, but the Mario snow headbands are pretty cool. Sorry, yeah, there's no price on them, so much for that. All right, we'll come around this way. Excuse me. And you say Joyful Holidays on one side. They have the Mario lining on them that's pretty gorgeous, actually. I like these. And the Joyful Holidays logo in the back. These are $65. Those are adult sizes. Now, I come over here. There's a few more things. There's these ornament sets. The Super Nintendo World. They actually don't say Super Nintendo World on the ornaments themselves. Whoops. I just thought I'd destroy one for everybody. Here, whoops. These are $30 each. The mugs. We'll run you a 21. They're hand wash only though. And these shirts are 35. I don't think there's anything on the back, yeah, but they do have a really cool little pattern on the sleeve if you check those out. We have a Joyful Holidays notepad set for 11 bucks. An ornament card. Those are 15. And a Joyful Holidays bag set. I think there's one, two, are there three in the set? Let's see here. There's 1, 2, 3 in the set. And the price on that one, of course, you can't see it. We'll put that back. Hang on. $15 for the bag set. And it shows you what the front and the back on those look like. And that's about it for the holiday merchandise here at the One Up Club. Oh, wait. One Up Factory's got, that's about it. So if you're looking for some Christmas stuff for your Nintendo fans, you can come on down here. And don't forget, you get 30% off. If you have an annual pass, I don't know if your annual discount is in addition to that. Probably unlikely. But there you go. Hope you have a happy holiday. And like, subscribe, and comment. You know the drill. Thanks.